Welcome Culinary Credit, where I'm dedicated to actually fixing your credit as I have fixed mine, or as I'm fixing mine. So, anyways, I just need to state that I am not a professional credit repair person. This is only educational purpose, and this is not legal advice, and I'm not a lawyer. With that being said, I would like to continue this video and letting you know that we are definitely cooking the credit bureaus over here. So let's get into it. So now we had just got done talking about the debt validation letter and also talking about the round one letter. Okay. Hopefully we're not confused and you guys are still with me. So we're going to talk about the reinvestigation letter. This would be a round two letter after you have sent the round one letter. Okay. Do we have an understanding about the debt validation letter? The debt validation letter, what that does is it stops it from getting to the big three after the credit agency has sent you, basically them trying to get credit from you, or not credit, basically trying to get, oh my god, I'm getting tongue twisted. Basically what the debt validation letter is doing is saying, okay, if you believe that I am responsible for this collection, then validate that debt. That's what that letter is for. Now the round one letter is for when you basically have an account that's already with the big three. Okay. Hopefully that makes sense. If it makes sense, comment down below, say, okay, got it. Right? So we're going to move forward. After you have sent the round one letter to the three credit bureaus, TransUnion, Experian, Equifax, they will send you back basically saying that this debt is validated and it's accurate. After they send that to you, you will send round two, which is the Bureau reinvestigation letter. You basically are just stating I am in disagreement with the items listed below, which still appear on my credit report even after your investigation. I would like the items to immediately be reinvestigated. These inaccuracies are highly injurious to my credit rating. All right. So now basically you would list all of the ones you listed prior from the round one letter. Okay. We're not talking about the debt validation letter. We're talking about the round one, and now we're moving into the round two, which is the Bureau reinvestigation letter. Okay. So when you send that to them, it's basically just initiating a reinvestigation of the accounts that you initially opened the investigation for. You're not hurting anybody. You're not doing anything wrong. This letter hasn't even asked for any deletions. So just know that in this process, it's not getting you any deletions yet. The round one is not going to get you a deletion. Round two, it's not going to get you a deletion. We don't start getting to deletions until later on. Okay. Which is next video. So furthermore, in accordance with the Fair Credit Reporting Act, Public Law 91-506, title, so forth. Yeah, we're not going to read all that. Please forward me updated credit report after you've completed your investigation and corrections. It's not that much, right? You're not doing anything wrong. You're basically just exercising your rights. These are your rights pertaining to the FCRA. You have the right to reinvestigate an account. Okay. So that's just this video. I don't want to pack too much into one video because I feel like I did that last video, but hopefully we're still on the same page. That letter was pertaining to round two. Now I've gotten you with the personal update of your information, and I told you about the debt validation and the round one, which are two different things. The debt validation, again, is for a creditor that has not reported it to the big three yet. A round one investigation letter is for accounts that have reached to the big three. Okay. Are we on the same page? Hopefully we on the same page. I don't want to lose you guys. So, and now we're on the reinvestigation letter, which is a round 2. Okay, we're going rounds with them. Okay, so don't get intimidated. Just understand and trust the process. So we're going to talk about that in the next video. We're going to talk about the gritty, nice, juicy stuff in the next video. The next video is my favorite part. So I need y'all to pay attention. Pay attention real close and understand this process. I love y'all and see y'all next video.